about Cinema 4D over the coming weeks. Fact of the matter is, it's impossible to learn everything you need to know about Cinema 4D in this short amount of time we have together. That's why it's so important for you to explore, discover, and experiment inside of Cinema 4D, pressing buttons and figuring out what the heck they all do. Being curious is what's going to help accelerate your learning and growth in 3D. And what I'm going to tell you about now is going to be one of the most important and useful features in helping you learn more about every single button and every single feature inside of Cinema 4D and what it does. And it's the ability to right-click on anything in the interface and choosing Show Help. So let's just say we want to go and find out what the heck a landscape object is all about. What you can do is add a landscape object to our scene like so, and we're going to go and we are going to right-click on it and go down to Show Help. And you'll see the shortcut key for that is Control F1. And you can see here is the massive help library here that has everything in it. We're talking like super extensive, super useful information about pretty much every single aspect inside of Cinema 4D and even Redshift Renderer here, which we'll be getting into a little bit later throughout the course. So you even got some pictures if you are a picture book person like myself. So what you can do is, as well as you can go and say like, okay, what the heck is Fine Furrows? Fine Furrow Friend? I don't know. Let's right click on that. So you can right click on any feature here, go to Show Help, and voila, it's actually going to go and bring up in that landscape object, the Fine Furrows option, and tell you what it does. It's doing gentle hills and the value from, if you increase or decrease it, it's going to change things like that. The sea level, you can see all these different options here are also going to be represented in the help document here. How stinking helpful is that? So what else is really cool is you can do a search for anything, like say a jiggle deformer, and hit enter. And you'll see that not only is it fun to say, but it's also fun to use and does some pretty cool stuff. And you can see all the different things that the Jiggle Deformer does. So the help manual here is one of the most extensive and comprehensive manuals I've seen for literally any piece of software. And Maxon has done a really amazing job, even translating it from German and allowing you to look up any feature in Cinema 4D and find out more about it. So subdivision surface, what's that? What does that do? Boom, there you go. Pictures, all that kind of stuff. The help menu is actually how I learned a lot about the software when I was first learning, and I still use it a ton to this day because Cinema 4D is updating all the time, adding new features. You got to figure out what the heck the new features do. Go to the help. So to get the most out of this course and Cinema 4D, it's going to be all about how much effort you put into committing to learning and exploring on your own, pressing buttons, using the show help, experiment, and always staying curious. Be a lifelong learner. All right, see you in the next video.